Hi, it's Lindsay Diane from DianeDecor.com. In this video, we're going to talk all about kitchen cabinet upgrades. Kitchen cabinets make such a huge impact on your kitchen because they're just taking up so much visual real estate. And if you have old or scratched cabinets or their paint is chipping on them, it can really bring down the overall look and feel of your kitchen. But kitchen cabinets are very, very expensive to replace. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 7 budget-friendly options to upgrade your existing kitchen cabinets. Let's get started. The first kitchen cabinet upgrade is to change out your hardware. Now, if you don't have hardware on your kitchen cabinets, that's the pulls and the knobs, you can add those easily. It's just a simple project that you can do over the weekend. All you need is really a hand drill and your knobs. But if you already have existing hardware and it's making the look of your kitchen a little bit outdated, so let's say there was a finish that was really popular, like maybe brushed nickel back in the day, and now it's not so popular. Now we're seeing like copper, and we're seeing matte black and things like that. Just updating that hardware can really make a huge impact on your space. So you can either buy new hardware. They're relatively inexpensive, the pulls and the knobs. You can buy them at Home Depot, at Lowe's, you can buy them on Amazon. Or if you really want to save a lot, you can try to look for one of the Habitat for Humanity restores. They sell lots of building materials and they have rows and rows filled with cabinet knobs and pulls that they've salvaged from projects. And you can buy them like 25 cents a piece. They're really inexpensive. The other option is to keep your existing hardware and just give it a new finish. So you can spray paint it. So some things just will make a huge, huge impact. So if you're going from, matte black to like a copper, or you're going from chrome to matte black, it will just make a huge impact on the way your space looks. And that's just as simple as a can of spray paint and an afternoon to let them dry, and then you just reinstall them and you're ready to go. The next thing that you can do to upgrade your kitchen cabinets is to repaint them or to restain them. Now, restaining them is probably going to be a little bit more labor intensive, but there are lots of easy paint kits available, particularly the Rust-Oleum transformation kits. Those are really popular if you want to redo your kitchen cabinets. You don't have to worry about doing a lot of sanding or anything like that. The kits just come with everything that you need, simple instructions, and you can really transform the look of your kitchen in a weekend by using one of those kits. The next way to upgrade your kitchen cabinets on a budget is to simply swap out the cabinet doors. So you're going to leave the actual hanging cabinets in place and you're just going to swap out the doors. You can take them off the hinges, swap them out for something of a different style. There are tons of different cabinet door styles. Some are more trendy than others. So if you have something that's a little bit outdated and you want to update it, consider just switching out those cabinet doors. You can have a flat door, a recessed door, shakers, beadboard. There are a lot of different cabinet door styles. So look around, and if you see something that you really like, that will really mitigate the cost of replacing, all of the kitchen cabinets if you just have to do the doors. The fourth way to upgrade your existing kitchen cabinets is to swap out some of your solid doors for ones with glass inserts. Now, this will give you an opportunity to create a new focal point in your kitchen, so you can spotlight your china or some of your barware or stemware inside of the cabinets with the glass doors. You could even go ahead and add some lighting in there so that all of the shelves are lit from underneath, and it really illuminates those items in the cabinet. Now, you can go about doing this a couple of ways. You can buy glass-ready doors and have the inserts put in and then just have them stained to match or painted to match your existing cabinets. Or you could take off one of your existing cabinet doors and bring it to maybe a handyman could do it, or you could take off one of your existing kitchen cabinet doors and have that solid center cut out and have glass inserts put in. Now, either way you go, it's going to make a huge impact on your space, and it's much less costly than replacing all of your kitchen cabinets. You can create a new focal point and a new look in your kitchen simply by swapping out a couple of the doors. Option number 5 is very similar to number 4. Instead of doing glass inserts, you can do mesh inserts. Now, mesh inserts are really cool because they do give you a sneak peek into what's behind those cabinet doors, but at the same time you can play with some of the different die cut patterns that are available and really make a unique look to those cabinet doors. Now, you can search for decorative cabinet door mesh online and find some vendors that can cut it exactly to specs for you, or you can go on Amazon and you can buy like a roll that is either a roll of traditional wire mesh, you can buy a roll of rattan mesh, you can buy a roll of, clover leaf cutout or hexagon cutout. There are a lot of different styles to choose from, and you can just buy it in a roll and cut it down yourself and attach it to the back of your cabinet door. The next kitchen cabinet upgrade is to do a cabinet conversion. Now, this is more about the functionality of your kitchen cabinets than it is about the outer appearance. But of course, you can combine multiple things. You can repaint your cabinets and then convert some of them to a more modern style. So you think about having slide-out trash cans when you open one of the cabinet doors, or having a Lazy Susan put in so that you can better reach maybe some of your pantry items. You can have slide-out drawers that hold your pots and pans or your dishes. There are a lot of different options for kitchen cabinets nowadays, and ones that are really easy to install. The thing that I have in mind is the slide outs. So whether you have the slide outs for your garbage can or you just have slide out bins where you're storing some of your heavier bakeware or pots, you almost don't even have to install these with hardware anymore. They have some that stick with like that 3M adhesive that stick right to the bottom of your cabinet, and they slide on a rail, and it's as simple as that, is pulling the backing off of some adhesive, setting it where you want it, and boom, there you have some sliding drawers that will come in and out of your cabinets really easily. It's a great upgrade and very inexpensive. Last but not least is under cabinet lighting. Under cabinet lighting will really set the mood in your kitchen. I absolutely love the puck lights that I installed under my cabinet maybe 4 years ago now. I still have the same ones. They're battery operated. I think my only con is I wish that I had some rechargeable ones instead of having to replace the AAA batteries. That being said, I only do it a few times a year. The under cabinet lighting is great because not only will it create a nice ambiance in your kitchen, but it's great if you don't want to have your overhead lights on. You just want enough light that you can see what's on the counters. You can grab yourself a late night snack or what have you. You can set them on a timer so that they go off by themselves. And the feature that is never advertised, but I have found to be very useful time and time again, is that if the power goes out, I still have lighting in my kitchen to cook. So it's one thing to be able to cook on my gas stove, but if I'm doing it in the dark, that's a whole other thing. So having that lighting that's in the kitchen, illuminating the cabinets, illuminating the stove, is really great in an emergency situation. So you can, of course, install these yourself. There's battery operated ones, there are rechargeable ones, you can have the bars, you can have the little puck lights, or if you really wanted to, you could hardwire in some under cabinet lights. But I personally like the battery operated and the rechargeable ones just for the simple fact that you can use them even if your power goes out. So those are my 7 tips on how to upgrade your existing kitchen cabinets to give your space a whole new look and feel. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel. And don't forget to visit me at DianeDecor.com. I post all about home decorating, money saving tips over there. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.